All right, if you have watched the 2 previous videos, you will have learned how to do this style of daisy chain and this style of daisy chain. But today we're doing the third and final installment where we are going to teach you how to do this style of daisy chain. And as with the others, you need your thread, your needle, your scissors, obviously your beads, and a closure of your choice. All right, cut yourself a piece of thread. Oh, about so long. I don't know. I still haven't measured it out, but you know, a decent amount of thread. It's not a science. All right. So the first thing that we need to do is pick whatever color you want. I am going to go with, we'll just go with orange. So you're going to just string on 4 oranges. And then, what color? We'll just say red. All right, so you're going to put on 4 oranges and a red. Pull them all the way down. Make sure that you leave a decent tail at the end. All right, and then you're going to take your needle and you are going to run it down through the very end bead, like so. Whoop. See how that formed a half a flower? Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to string on 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me, I have a cold. 4 more of your oranges. And then you are going to put it through. See, your thread is coming out the bottom here. You're going to put it through this bead, like so. Boop. And there you go. You have your first flower. So then you're going to need a third color. Let's go with blue. You string 1, 2, 3. 3 blues, and then your 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and your center red. And then string those all the way down, like so. And then you are going to take your needle and you're going to run through the bottom orange one right here, like so. Bloop. And there you go. Now you have another half flower. All right, then you're going to string up 4 more of your oranges, like so. And same thing that you did on the other one. You are going to then, keep that straight, you're going to then put this through this bead right here. Like so. And there you go. Now you have 2 flowers. Then you're going to repeat the process by stringing 1, 2, 3 blues. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 oranges. 1 red. Like so. There you go. We got your half flower. 4 more oranges. 4. You're gonna go through that top bead. Did you see that? And there you go. Now you have 3 flowers. We'll do that again. 1, 2, 3 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. And 1 red. Excuse my fingernails. I live on a farm. They're just dirty. It's just life. I try, but it's just life. 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. You go through, whoop, you see that? This bead right here. There you go. Now you have 4 flowers. All right. Once you get your bracelet to the appropriate length, whatever length, whoops, that you would like it, it's time to add the clasp. So we're going to take our clasp bead and take this little end. All right, the way that I like to do it is, you see your little flower there? You see how the thread is coming out this side? I go through the 2 beads like so. And then back through the 2 beads. And you'll just do that as many times as the beads will allow you to do that. Because they get pretty tight. And they were feeling tight that second round through, so I'm just going to go through the one on this side, if it will let me do that. Might be too tight. Well, crumbs. Okay. It won't let me do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this one. Nope, that one won't let me do it either. All right, well, we'll just go back there. There we go. All right. So I ended up going through here twice. So now I'm just going to go down. Going to go down through these beads like so. Boop. Down through these beads. Like, whoopsie. Like so, and then I'm going to go through the center bead, which do it however you want. As long as you're going back through the beads, it's up to you, but this is how I do it. Oh my gosh. And I'm tangling up, tangling my thread here. There we go. Ah, there we go. And then I'm going to go through this little middle guy right there. Oops. I am struggling today. It's probably because I'm sick. Yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Oh, I see. I didn't get through all the thread. I'm attached to one little straggler thread there. There, all right. And then, get back up there. I am going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the thread to about there. And then I'm going to melt it. Like so. And then press it down so that it's nice and intertwined in your beads, and that will help hold it together. And then we're going to repeat the process on the other side. All right. Get your other little claspy piece. Same thing. See, this one, because the way that I started, you're kind of off to the side, but I don't really care if you don't care. You're going to go through the 2 beads like so. Oops. Back through like so. Back through like so. Will we get a 3rd time through? Okay, I'm just going to go through that one like so, and then we're going to go back down through the beads again. And there we go, ending in the middle of that flower. Cut your thread. Melt your thread. Press it down. Boom. And there you go. We have our bracelet. Just like so. Voila. And there you go. That is the 3rd and final, as of right now anyway. If I come up with another one, I'll let you know. But the 3rd and final daisy chain pattern. Super simple. I hope this was educational and helpful. And it's a fun little craft to do with, you know, kids and adults alike. So if you guys liked it, hit the like button. If you really liked it, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.